Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so today we are going to be making chicken thighs in a delicious and luxurious honey orange glaze sauce. Now this chicken thighs recipe is like really good for you when you're just tired of chicken breast and you want to change. This is like the perfect recipe to go to. Okay, I've been eating chicken breast for so long. Today we're going to be making chicken thighs, and chicken thighs are like, you know, chicken breast cooler, more hip cousin, right? The one that like starts the cha-cha slide in a party. That's chicken thighs for you. It's not that much different, right, in the amount of fat content and the amount of calories. And dark meat is so much more flavorful than white meat. Hands down, nobody can argue that. Now, I actually get skinless and boneless chicken thighs. I've gotten chicken thighs with bone in, with skin on. It's just a little bit of a process. You could easily just rip the skin off and just cut out and remove the bone and throw it in the garbage, okay? So I'm so excited for you guys to see this video, and let's go. Bye. Okay guys, so all I've done is I've washed the chicken that came in the chicken packet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in a nice big Ziploc bag. Now I'm gonna use this hammer, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna thin out the chicken. Basically, these are nice and flattened, as you guys could see. Okay, guys, so we are going to actually make a rub for this, a very simple rub. Okay, I'm going to use about a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to salt and pepper your chicken thighs, okay? So I'm going to salt, and you're going to want to pepper. Now this doesn't need too much seasoning because it's going to have the orange and honey glaze on it already. So you want to mix up your rub, okay? Mix it up, mix it up. Actually, my assistant principal of my school, Sue Barone. Hi, Sue. I miss you. She actually DM'd me and told me about a rub. I usually just, you know, kind of season it as I go, but this is so much better. Okay, guys. So I got a skillet. Ooh, look at that. And I actually just sprayed it with canola spray. I try to limit the amount of olive oil that I put in my food if necessary. Some recipes need actual, you know, oil to work properly. You're going to just throw them right in. Oh, that sear is live. All right, so we're not going to overcrowd the pan and just let these mamacitas work. So they've been working on one side for about 3 minutes, and look at that caramelization, guys. That happened because of the rub. Thanks, Sue. Woo! Look at that. Looks amazing. Look at that. That's going to be nice and crisp, and when it breaks down with that orange and a honey glaze, top notch. So I'm basically going to take these chicken thighs out because they're nice and brown. Look at that. Now that is not burnt. That's actually the browning of the rub. You want it to be nice and cooked thoroughly, okay? So now you're actually going to put the chicken, all of them. I just simply wipe down the burnt crust, and look, it's not thoroughly cooked right now because it's going to continue cooking in that honey and orange glaze. So simply arrange them, and now you can pack out the pan. Let's start juicing. Ooh. That was like a nice timer right there for you guys. Oh my God. I'm doing this in slow motion, watch. Whoa. I'm going to pour over that delicious honey Now, just to take it to the next level, we are going to add thyme. Okay, so you just want to pull the leaves backwards. Okay, so the chicken has been working, and now you want to flip it, and then you're going to baste your chicken with that delicious orange, thyme, and honey glaze, guys. Oh, if you could smell this right now. I mean, the Food Network channel, they always say that, but I'm so serious. So you kind of just want to push all the chicken to one side of the pot and just start basting your chicken in that luxurious. Ooh. So we are back. Now, right now you're going to see the difference between that saucy liquid and this nice glaze. You could already see it. And it's reduced so much. Okay guys, so today was a lot of fun. This recipe was like super easy to make. Filming takes a long time, but the actual cooking time literally is going to be like 15 minutes, not even, like tops. So take a look at that beautiful, delicious orange honey thyme glazed chicken. It is so on point, but let's try it just to see. Oh, I'm going for this one. What I like is that sometimes the chicken thighs have a little bit of fat on it, and I like that. So first of all, it's cooked perfectly. Take a look at that white. Yes, sir! And we're gonna try it now. Wow. Look at that eye. That is so good. I don't know, I get so excited sometimes. Okay, so the first thing that hits you is going to be that char from that rub. Okay, that smokiness. And second thing that hits you is going to be the honey and the sweetness. The orange and the honey combined with a little bit of that thyme is so delicious and flavorful. Noble. So I just cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. It's super good. Pretty darn healthy for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we're gonna do 4 hugs. Are you guys ready? Yes, you are. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and the last one is really tight. I died. Okay, 4. Please comment, like, subscribe to my channel if you won't, and I will see you the next time on Cooking with Hugs. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.